Number 3 is a folding 40-inch wide ladder, and this gives 20 inches of height. The 40 inches of length gives a lot of added mobility, so you can move from one side to the other, especially for crown molding. You can reach around the corner and do this side of the piece, pa-ching, 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 pa-ching. Just a little bit of extra mobility. It's really sturdy. This has been one of the sturdiest ones we've been able to find. We've had ones that felt very dangerous, but this one we really like. And we're gonna have a link in the description if you wanna check it out. The second product, this is a really sweet product that I kind of stumbled upon after searching for something for a solution for this. And these work really good for any handled tool. So a broom, a level, shovels, all sorts of any tool with like a pickaxe, axe, anything with a handle. These work really good. So they're just a little belt strap, and these just screw right onto the side of the bed here. Very sturdy. And we can just put our handle tools right in here, clips right in, and that just goes like that. Same thing with the broom. Just put the strap over top, clip it right in, and those just stay in there nice and sturdy, never move around. You know exactly where they are, keeps everything compact. The third product, and this is by far my favorite of all the products, and this is a tape measure holder. And this is a little bit difficult to find when it comes to searching for tape measure holders. They're all clips. But this is a really unique product. Found it on Amazon. So it's a Spyder tool holster. This comes with this little fixture on here. It has a screw hole in there. So what I do is just remove the clip off of this one, and it's also sticky, so it sticks to it. And then I just ran a short screw into there to fasten it onto there. And then this right here clips onto your belt right here, and it has a little hook spot there so it doesn't come up when you lift your tool out of it. And it clips right onto your belt, and that's nice and sturdy. It doesn't come up and it doesn't go down or anywhere. And this just easily clips right in like that. Now it does come with a locking mechanism, so it automatically locks when it goes in, and then it has a pull-up tab, and you just pull with one motion, it pops out. I removed the tab and it just makes it a little bit easier, but then it can fall off if you bump it just right, and the locking mechanism keeps it completely firm. But this is by far my favorite tool out of the 3 of these. It's been absolutely clutch, just super easy to get, and you just super easy to use. And for trimming especially, you just pop it off to your thing and just pop it right back in. Absolutely love these products. Thank you guys for watching. And now for the bonus product that has come in absolutely clutch when it comes to organizing our smaller pieces. So this pop-up seat, which comes on a lot of trucks. This Duha is customizable to most trucks, and we store all of our smaller items in here. Over there we have spare parts, paintbrushes, some wire, caulk guns, paper towel. We have different types of glue in here. We have putty, jigs, all sorts of stuff that we can store in here, and it really makes for a lot more organized truck.